All right, now let's talk about some key terms you often hear when people discuss AI: artificial intelligence, machine learning, and deep learning. It can feel a bit overwhelming, but let me explain them in a different way. Imagine AI as a really delicious pie, one of the all encompassing desserts that we all want to have. Now, let's say for this pie that we're labeling as AI, look at one slice of it, and let's call that slice machine learning. Machine learning is a part of AI that allows systems to learn and improve from experience, but without being programmed, meaning it learns from experiences and it's basically left to figure things out on its own. Let's say over time, we get better at baking this pie just by making it again and again. That's what machine learning is trying to do with this AI pie. Now let's look at another side of the pie, and we're going to call it deep learning, which is a more specialized slice of this AI pie. Deep learning uses something that is called artificial neural networks. And you may have heard the term neural before because it's tied to our brain. It's how our human brain works. But in this case, the deep learning is taking our brain and you're feeding it tons and tons of data, or what sometimes they call sets of data, lots of data sets. It's like going from baking one simple apple pie, but now you're running a full-scale bakery. It requires more resources, but the outcomes can be much more sophisticated and nuanced and with many more possibilities. Maybe another way to look at it, aside from the pie example, is let's think of an analogy tied with school. See artificial intelligence, or AI, as an entire education system. Machine learning is a particular school within that system that focuses on practical learning. What are the things you need to get familiar with to apply them in real life? So that's machine learning. But then deep learning is a more specialized class within that school. So again, AI is the education system. Machine learning is a particular school that has a certain branch of learning. And deep learning is a class within that machine learning school. And it will focus more on certain topics with a lot of intense focus.